In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can reverse a video on CapCut. Now, all you have to do, guys, you want to update the app to the latest version because this is a new update and a lot of people don't have the latest update. So make sure you go to App Store or Play Store and then search for CapCut. And after that, guys, you want to click on CapCut. And if it says here open, that means you have the latest version. Just follow the exact steps that I'm about to show you right now and you will be able to reverse a video. But if you can see here update, that means you have to click on update and update the app to the latest version. And like I said, this works on Android and iPhone. Now, after you update the app, guys, you want to open your CapCut, okay? Now, I'm going to select this video. As you can see, you want to click on your project and select the video that you want to reverse. But for this, I'm going to select this video. Now, you have to select the video that you want to reverse and the clip that you want to reverse. Click on it, okay? Click on it here, as you can see here. Now, after that, after it looks here, it looks here, it looks like this. You want to, at the very bottom, you want to swipe to the right, okay? Swipe to the right and keep swiping like this, like and then until you see here reverse. As you can see, it says here reverse. Click on reverse. Now make sure that you have removed the audio because it will not look like better. It will not look perfect if you like reverse it with the audio. Make sure you select the audio volume and then drag it all the way down, okay? And this is exactly, guys, how it looks. You look. Okay, guys, if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. And if you want to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute, click the video in the screen and you will be able to get 1000 TikTok followers in just 1 minute. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Drop a like.